Imagine a job so disgusting that every night you had to climb into giant pits filled with human waste. No gloves, no mask, no protection. One mistake could mean death. This was the job of a medieval worker known as a gong farmer. Today, we flush a toilet and never think about where the waste goes. But in medieval Europe, there were no modern sewage systems. People used toilets built above underground pits called privies. As these pits filled up, someone had to empty them. That job belonged to the Gong Farmers. Their work began after midnight. While the city slept, they carried buckets, ropes, and shovels through dark streets. They climbed into deep pits and removed the waste by hand. Bucket after bucket, hour after hour. The smell was terrible, but the real danger came from toxic gases trapped inside the pits. A worker could suddenly become dizzy, collapse, and suffocate. Some never made it back out. Disease was another constant threat. Without modern medicine, even a small infection could become deadly. Every night was a risk. Yet people still took the job. The reason was simple: money. Gong farmers often earned more than many ordinary laborers because very few people were willing to do such dangerous work. But despite their importance, society looked down on them. Many people avoided them and treated them as outcasts. The strange truth is that medieval cities depended on these workers. Without them, waste would have piled up in the streets, making cities even more dangerous and unhealthy. They performed one of the dirtiest jobs in history, yet they helped keep entire cities alive. Today, sanitation works so well that most people never think about it. But centuries ago, civilization relied on ordinary workers doing jobs that nobody else wanted. The Gong farmers faced disease, toxic air, and danger every single night. Their names were forgotten, but their work helped cities survive. And that is why the Gong farmer may have had the worst job in human history.